Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial, and this time I opted for a colorful look. I know there are so many brides who are opting for colorful looks these days, and I think you can totally rock this look. This is a beautiful orange, yellow, purple and pink half-cut crease eye look with glitter eyeliner, and I have hooded eyes. So along the way, I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve a perfect cut crease on hooded eyes. So do not skip any part. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support means a lot to me. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am just filling up the gaps and sparse areas of my brows. If you want to know my updated eyebrow routine, I will link that video down in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I have shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows in that video, so do not skip that video. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade Medium Neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I am doing a full glam look or a bridal look, this step is must for me. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. You can use any concealer or eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection, and I am blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild, and you guys probably know this sponge is my absolute favorite. I am taking my E.L.F Halo Glow setting powder in the shade Medium, and I am setting the concealer in place so that it does not crease. I am using these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. You can use your regular sticky tape as well. For my eyes, first I'm taking this bright matte yellow shade from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and with my Sigma E40 brush, I am applying it as my transition color. I am using back and forth motion as well as circular motion to blend out the shade, and I am being very cautious here because I do not want this eyeshadow to be patchy, so I am taking little by little product and I'm just slowly building it up. I am quite happy with the way it's looking right now. And next I am taking this matte orange shade from the palette and I am applying it on my crease. Now here is the trick. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, right? And what I'm doing here, I am placing the color a little bit higher. Actually, I am creating a new crease for myself, and this is the main key of achieving a perfect eye look on hooded eyes. Always place the color a little bit higher than your natural crease. That way you will create an illusion of a fake crease, and it will just open up your eyes and it will just make such a difference. Just try that trick out and I'm sure you are going to love it. And yeah, I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want this eyeshadow to be patchy. Now I am taking this matte purple shade from the palette and I am placing it right on top of the orange shade, actually a little bit below that orange shade because I wanted that gradation. And this is my second tip. Whenever you are doing cut crease on hooded eyes, just make sure to apply a darker shade on your crease. It will just define your crease further. And look at the gradation from purple to orange to yellow. This gradient effect just looks stunning. Just try this method and I am sure you are going to love it. And I am just slowly building up that pigmentation because this particular purple shade tends to become patchy pretty easily. I am applying the orange shade again, and I will apply the yellow shade again because I lost some of the intensity during the blending process. Now the fun part begins, cutting the crease. And I'm using the same concealer, and this is my lip brush from Pune store, and I am again placing the color a little bit higher than my natural crease to create an illusion of a fake crease. and I am using smaller strokes. If you use longer strokes, then you might mess it up, so always use just smaller strokes. I am reapplying the concealer, and yeah, I am just covering up the orange and purple shade that was peeping through. Now I am taking this matte black shade from the palette, and I am applying it on my outer V area just to smoke it out further, just to give it a nice smoky, like dark effect. I am taking this shimmery purple shade from the palette, and I am applying it next to the black eyeshadow, and for that I am using my Morphe M124 brush. And I always like to apply the darker shades on the outer V area, and then I apply the lighter shades on my inner corner. Now I am taking this bright, like I would call it a pinkish red shade, and this is a shimmer shade, and I am placing it next to the purple shade, and at the same time I'm blending it out with the purple shade because I do not want a stark demarcation. Now I am taking this beautiful orangish yellow shade, and I am placing it right next to the pinky red shade that I just applied, and again I am blending it out with the pinky orange shade because I do not want any like stark line between the two shades. And for my inner corner shade, I'm going with Talia. This is a beautiful like gold shade, a true gold shade, and I am placing it on the inner corner of my eye just to have a nice pop there. Now I am taking my E.L.F liquid glitter in the shade 24K Gold, and I am applying it on the border of the cut crease, and for that I am using my Morphe 2500 eyeliner brush. And yeah, again, just be very cautious here. And for my eyeliner, today I'm going with my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am drawing a wing here with my another Morphe 2500 eyeliner brush. For my kajal or for tight lining, I am using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark. This is basically a matte black eyeliner pencil. And for my lower lash line, first I'm smoking out my entire lower lash line using that matte purple shade that I applied on my crease. And after that, I am applying that orange shade, matte orange shade on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I am taking my Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones. And for that I am using this lip brush from E.L.F Cosmetics. I am elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, and I am giving it a V shape. It will just open up my eyes and give me a wider and bigger looking eye. And I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I am applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. For my lashes, I am taking my Gala lashes from Kiss. I love the style of these lashes. These are really wispy and, you know, kind of flared up on the outer V area, which gives my eyes a really nice bigger looking appearance. And here is the completed look. I truly love how the entire look came together. You guys probably know I love colorful looks, and this was my absolute favorite. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you plan to recreate this look, then feel free to tag me on Facebook or on Instagram. It's @NitaSglamWorld. I will mention everything in the description box down below, along with all the products that I used in the video. So make sure to check out the description box. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any video request. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.